All right, now, so let's go ahead and work on updating the data. So the first step that we should take is actually creating the route. So let me grab a post route, which looks like this one. So let's paste. So this will be users edit dash details. I know that you're telling me that they're both those routes like look the same, and it will actually be better if we leave them the same. So I want this to hit and update details function. So this will be right here, update dot details right here. All right, so yeah, I want to copy this right now and save this. So for the name, we should go at the form and place the name right here as a route. So as you can see, the form, the action is right here of the form. So we should give this so it will be route, and let's just paste this in. And you might ask, well, how can we make sure that it's updating the right user, because we're not sending any IDs in the link or in the route? Well, actually, we will do this fully dynamically, right, from inside the controller. Let's just focus on the front end right now. All right, so the method right here is post, which is awesome. Let's check the inputs. Let's check the names for the inputs. So the name right here is name, and the name is right here is job underscore title. And if we look at the user table, you can see that we have if you look down here, yeah, here is a job underscore title. So great. And if you look at the text area, the name is bio right here. And if we look at this, you can see that we have bio. We forgot to add the 3 links for the Twitter and Facebook and the LinkedIn. I was sensing that we forgot something, so we're just gonna do this real quick. So again, let's just copy this, go down here and paste like 3 times. So this will be Facebook. All right, so this will be Facebook right here. So let's just copy this and go right here and just paste. All right, so this will be Twitter. All right, so yeah, let's just copy this and go right here and paste. So this will also be Facebook, and this will be Twitter like that. And let's just paste it right here. And if we go here, it will be Twitter with with a big T. And this will be LinkedIn. So let's just copy this, go down here at the name. Let's paste this. So this will be LinkedIn. Let's copy it right here and paste. All right, so we want to go right at the placeholder right here, and we want to make this so it will be LinkedIn like that. So yeah, let's save this whole thing. So we can see right here, no Facebook, no Twitter, no LinkedIn. So that's fine. Let's now continue working with the logic. So again, right here, we're just making sure that we have the right names. So there we go, we have the right names for those two. And for the bio, and if we go right down at the bottom, we have the type submit, the input type submit, and the name is submit. So awesome. So I would say that the whole form is working perfectly. Let's now just go ahead and work with the logic. So let's just paste this like that. And if we go right here, let's copy function and paste. So first of all, we're gonna find the ID of this guy. So this will be user details update. Right, so let's keep it like this. And right after we find it, we already sent the ID right here dynamically. All right, so what we just need to do right here is just do our request All right, so if we just go right here and we're gonna go update, and we're gonna go down at the bottom, we're gonna go something like the name, for example, and we're just gonna go and go request right here, and this will be name. And if we paste like that, all right, so if we just go job underscore title, all right, and if we go right here, this will be bio, and paste. All right, so this will be Facebook. Let's copy and paste, and this will be Twitter. Let's copy this and paste right here. Copy once again. LinkedIn. All right, so there is LinkedIn right here. So yeah, this will simply update this whole thing. So once we update, I wanna go back to the same page. So yeah, if we just go to the jobs controller, and if we just go right over here, all right, so we can just copy this part. All right, we can copy this part, that's fine, and we can just go back right here and just paste this in. All right, all right, so after we update, if this worked perfectly, we're just gonna go and check if this worked perfectly. So if it worked, we're gonna redirect back to slash user slash slash what exactly? Yeah, let's go right here, copy this, slash edit dash details right here, and we're gonna go back with let's see, we will go back to the same page. You know, there is no any kind of there's no IDs right here, so just delete this, and we're gonna go right here, update. We're gonna go user details, updated successfully. So yeah, let's just save this whole thing, and let's now, all right, so we got a problem. Request. So yeah, this is actually the request keyword right here. I forgot an E. So yeah. All right, so there is still an error. Expected token. Expecting blah blah blah. So yeah, we forgot those. All right, so there we go. Now it's going to work. Let's now try to grab you know, the code that will allow us to simply just view the message once we update. So if we just go ahead and copy it from here, and let's go to edit details, and let's add it probably you know, right under this section, so this will be update like that. So let's copy it right here and paste and save. So yeah, let's now try to check this out. So if I just go ahead right here at the job title, and if I go Laravel developer, and let's like pick up something for the bio. Let's now click update. All right, so page expired, and that's because I did not add the CSRF right here. If I just remove this, add CSRF. So just save this, and let's now go back. All right, so go once again, Laravel developer. So for the bio, let me just copy this, paste. Let's now click update. All right, so it looks like we got a problem. Method blah blah blah. Update details does not exist. So method jobs controller update details does not exist. Let's see what we're trying to get right. Update details. So if we just go to the web right here, all right, yeah, so it's actually in the users controller. So yeah, and it's the users controller, it's in the folders right here, the folder user. So as you can see, user details updated successfully. So do we need to refresh or something? No, it did not even update. So let's go at the browse right here. Let's see if it's updating or not. So it's not updating, so let's do another try. Let's just refresh this. So if we just go Laravel dev and let's click update. All right, so user details updated successfully, and it's not updating. So it's not updating, as you can see right here. So just give me a second. All right, so I guess it was not updating. I guess, everything was cool. But if we go to the user's model itself, you can see that we possibly need to add the columns that we added in the table users right here. Right, so I did not actually try this by myself, but we will try together, I guess. But like I'm 90% sure that this is the problem, because everything else looks all right. Right, looks good. So yeah, let's add those columns right here inside the fillable. All right, so let's add the CV. And let's add in the job title. The bio. Twitter. All right, so let's also add Facebook. And let's go ahead and add in LinkedIn. All right, so yeah, this is all what we need actually. So let's just save this and let's go ahead right here and refresh this. All right, so hopefully it works now. So let's go just Laravel dev. Let's click update. All right, so integrity constraint violation, column bio cannot be null. Request column bio cannot be null. Yeah, so the problem with this, that we should not even leave everything null. We should enter data inside every column that we have. Right, so we can what exactly should we do? So let's try. All right, so let's try this out. Let's try to add data at every and each one of those. So we can just go ahead right here. And make this so it will be again Laravel dev. And let's enter something inside the bio. Like this, for example. Let's also enter inside the social media links. These are not links, of course, or we can just add these links here, for example. And if we just click update, let's see if it's gonna update or not. so column bio cannot be null. So again, telling us that this cannot be null, which is weird. Let's go back once again. All right, so bio, right? If we just go, we go to the form and let's see if something is wrong with the bio. So the name right here is bio. All right, so there's nothing wrong about this. All right, so just give me a second. Oh yeah, so I got the problem. So there was two names right here, which is just messed up. So let's save this. Let's go right here and this is actually refreshing right now. All right, so let's go back. Hopefully this will be the last one. All right, so let's actually go ahead and go Laravel dev like this. If we click update right here. All right, so as you can see, user details updated successfully. So as you can see, Laravel dev right here, which is awesome. Let's now go to the browse and let's check this out at the database. So as you can see, the job title right here, Laravel dev. So yeah, great. I want to go ahead once more. I want to update the bio, for example, just the bio, and I want to click update. For all right, so string data, right, blah blah blah, too long. All right, so yeah, this is basically an error because of the database, because of the length. So we want to keep the bio so it will actually be a type of text instead of varchar, because it will take the bio should actually take a lot of characters. So yeah, let's go right here and make this so it will be just text, and we will remove the length right here. The text, that means that it's going to take a lot of characters and numbers, limited characters and numbers. All right, so let's actually just go ahead and continue. All right, so there is the bio updating. So if we click browse, all right, so as you can see right over here, there is our bio, and we can also go ahead and update those three. Of course, those are like fake links, but you can add your social media if you want. And as you can see, the data now is updated, and it's showing the message, and it's all good. It's all great right here. So yeah, this will be all, and I'll see you on the next one.